Hello guys, so in this video I would like to show you another product from ClickBank that you can promote using Microsoft Bing ads and gets lots of traffic. So here in affiliate marketplace, so just simply type this Nervogen ClickBank product and you will see this Nervogen nerve pain. Okay, so this is a supplement for someone who's suffering for nerve pain, and it pays really good, 113 per conversion. And as you can see, gravity score is 56, means that until now it is still selling. Okay, so when you take a look at the landing page, the sales page of this product, so you'll see this one, and it's got lots of information which you can use to create your own landing page, because you cannot just direct all your visitors or your traffic here in the sales page. Otherwise you won't get any conversion. Okay, you have to make a landing page with your link embed on some of the links there or on the button, in order for them to be redirected here in the sales page, in the actual sales page, and then you get a commission. Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to set up a landing page. So we come here to our favorite tool called thepagepro.com, because it is a free landing page builder, and then you sign up for a free account. Once you have the free account, so just sign in, and then as you can see here, these are the existing landing pages that I built recently, and still been promoting this some of this using Microsoft Bing ads or any advertising platform that you are familiar. So as you can see, these are all the existing. So if you want to create a new landing page, so just click on the add new landing page. So I won't be creating a new landing page now, because I have a bunch of videos on how I created landing page using thepagepro.com, and it's very easy. It will take you less than 5 minutes. You can complete this landing page. For example, I'm showing you this Glucofort Java Burn landing page, which was created using thepagepro.com. So it's simple, it's effective, and it has all the information you need to start promoting this using any advertising platform that you're familiar with. Okay, so here what you need to do is so we click on edit. So the at creating new landing page, so you just click this create, and then you will see the same UI. Okay, you will see the same interface. So you just type in here in the landing page title the product that you're promoting. So here in our example, you type in Nervogen. So you can also type this, and then you get one catchy phrase. For example, this one, 5 simple ways to support neuropathy free life, and then come here and then you put it over here at the top bar, or you can keep this as get up to 90% discount today to attract your traffic, your visitor. And then the here in the headline, you will put a catchy headline that describe your landing page, so similar to this one. Okay, and then what you need to do is get at least 3 to 5 information from the sales page. Well, like for example, this thing, you can give this in this bullet section area. You can put those, or you can get other information here that you think that's suitable to be added, so that when your traffic comes to your landing page, they will immediately see those information, the information that you added, and then they will click your the button here, which contains the link. Okay, so the link, obviously you'll be able to get by clicking this promote and then create link. It's very important. Copy this and then go back to your editor. So in the editor, you just paste the link here, over here. Very important to put your link here, because all the button that gets generated here in the Page Pro will have your link. And the image, don't forget to save 2 images. So first thing is you save the product image. So save one here, like this. I save the product image, and then you come to the edit page. You upload it here in the Page Pro, and you just need to put the file name, the image name. Same thing as the article section over here. So just grab any any generic image that describe your article. So the short article, you can always come to this one, to the sales page, and get some information that's describing the product. So they most of the sales page that you find in ClickBank, they all have this small information area like this one. You can make this as an article here that you can also put here in the article section in the Page Pro. So when you generate the landing page, it will appear exactly like this, simple and effective. What important is you make your visitor click your link, so over here. Okay, now the important thing, very important, make sure you select a good keywords in order to send traffic to this landing page. So I'm going to show you the keywords that you can use when promoting this product, neuropathy life. Okay, that will give you cost effective, cost per click, and then you get huge number of visitor, because if you get huge number of traffic, that means you have higher chance of getting conversion. So we come to Microsoft Bing Ads. As you can see the overview of my account, so I heavily use Microsoft Bing Ads to promote several things, including ClickBank. As you can see, the past 30 days, I have 254 impressions and almost 2,000 clicks. And look at that, I didn't spend much because I always use uh, the strategy that I always show you here on my channel. Okay, I don't spend too much on cost per click because I always want to get huge traffic, because huge traffic with less number of it's still quality traffic because it's coming from Bing ads, but I want big volume of traffic, because the big volume you have, the more chance of you getting conversion. All right, so that's the main thing. And here in their keyword planner, it's very important you select the proper keyword. So here for Nervogen product in ClickBank, you can use these keywords. So look at this keyword, neuropathy treatment, neuropathy. So make sure you select, so for example, this one, you select all those related keywords for our product, because they might be a keyword that could convert you to a sale. Okay, so don't don't ignore those keywords that you think they might make some sale for you. Okay, neuropathy remedy, so of course they're finding a solution on their neuropathic problem. So nerve pain relief, so that's very important. Nerve pain treatment at home, you can use that, because anyway we will not be paying much money to a single visitor, which I'm going to show you. Just stay on, just hang on. So neuropathy relief, neuropathy medicine, neuropathy supplements, so lots of keywords we can use for this product. And I'm going to show you how much potential traffic we can get with these keywords. So as you can see, selecting all those related keywords, so make sure you select all the related keywords only, okay, which I showed you earlier. And this one I'm just showing you. So as you can see here, neuropathic treatment, these are all the related keywords for neuropathic treatment which you will be selecting. Okay, and when you take a look at the amount of impression, you can potentially get it almost 1.76 million and almost 200,000 clicks potentially for this product. Okay, so remember, huge number of volume, huge number of chance of getting some sale. And of course our remember our rule here, we do not want to spend so much money on per visitor because we want huge volume. Okay, so as you can see, I'll give you an example. If you want a budget of $100 per day and you are willing to pay 0.20 cents a click, and we click the get estimates, as you can see, just for 0.20 cents a click, and remember this is in Australian dollar, so 0.20 is smaller than a US dollar. If your configuration in your Microsoft Bing ads is set into US dollar, so it's around 0.14 a click or 0.13 per click, 0.13 cents a click, and potentially you can get up to 7,000 visitors. Look at that, between 5,000 to 7,000 visitors, and you'll be spending around 595 to 805. This is Australian dollar, so it's around $400 or $400 to $500 or $600 max in USD. And imagine, out of this 7,000 visitors, do you think you won't get any sales out of that? If you didn't get a sale, then it's something has to be changed in your either landing page or the way you created your campaign. Okay, so I'm not guaranteeing that you will make a sale, but I'm just showing you a strategy on how you can get started with affiliate marketing in an easy way. Okay, so it's not a guarantee that out of this traffic you will make some sales, but out of this traffic, if you are an experienced affiliate marketing, you can tell. Okay, and if you're a beginner, obviously out of the 7,000, if you don't make even one sale, then it's something has to be done, has to be changed in your landing page. But there is really a big number of chance that you can make a sale conversion out of the 7,000 visitor. And imagine you'll be spending around, let's say, $600 maximum in USD, and the conversion of the product is obviously it's I think $113 per sale. So out of those 7,000 visitors, you just need to make at least 10 sales, then you get $1,000 in return. Okay, then you will be covering the expense of the advertisements and you can get your profit. Okay, again, I'm not guaranteeing that you can make some sales. I'm just showing you some strategy on how you can get started with less budget and efficient way of setting up your cost per click. Okay, you can lower this if you are just willing to pay like 0.12 in the beginning, but you will less number of clicks, but that's fine. You just observe if you can get some sales conversion or impression, and then you adjust it slowly. All right, and don't forget to come to this website called keyword2free.com, because it's also giving you more keywords where you can add in your campaign. So here in neuropathic pain treatment, this is where I got the idea of the keyword. So first I type the product neuropathy here, pain treatment, and then I put all these keywords in Microsoft Bing ads in order to get those keyword suggestions. All right, so I'm leaving all the link at the description below, so if you get some time, so you can go there and visit this keyword2free.com and then the pagepro.com if you want to create a new landing page. Okay, hopefully you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.